Have you ever thought about how secure your Mac is when browsing the internet? Many people think Macs are safe by default, but that's not always true. If you don't take action now, your personal information could be at risk. So let's dive into the best internet security options for your Mac that will keep you safe and sound online. First up, Norton 360 offers great protection and keeps hackers out with its strong firewall. Next, Bitdefender provides excellent malware protection and protects your privacy when browsing. For a simple and effective option, Intego Mac Internet Security focuses specifically on Macs, offering strong malware protection. Then, Trend Micro keeps you safe from dangerous websites and online scams. And lastly, Avast Security is free and can help you protect from unwanted viruses or spyware. So take action now, save yourself from potential threats, and keep your personal information safe. Don't wait until it's too late. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.